Guys, in the middle of printing my packages, printing the shipping labels, I ran out of ink. So now we're headed to Office Depot to get some more, and we can continue, you know, packaging some labels or packaging some orders. But yeah, I'm headed to Office Depot right now. What's up? So in today's video we're going to be doing I'm going to be showing you guys not really how I pack my orders. I kind of want you guys kind of just like watch me pack the orders. If you guys want to see how I do them and things like that, of course let me know in the comments. But in today's video it's just going to be a watch me pack my orders type thing, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. And yeah, oh, before I get into it, I wanted to show you guys our lip glosses, y'all. Do y'all see this? I made the colors myself. Our lip glosses are handmade by yours truly. I just actually started doing that, so I haven't really launched them on the site yet, but these are the two colors that we would have on the site. This is our lip gloss tubes, and right here you have my logo. So this is a really pretty nude color, and this is like a pretty dark mauve color. Absolutely pretty. And yeah, you guys, I'm gonna do a whole detailed video on the lip glosses, and if you guys want to see a video on like how I make my lip glosses and stuff like that, let me know in the comments as well. You know, I'll do whatever you want, just let me know in the comments. But yeah, this is like super pretty. It's like a glass tube, so it's gold. But yeah, it's absolutely gorgeous. So we're gonna go ahead and get into the packing. It's gonna be music playing in the background. You don't really need to hear me say anything. Yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and get into the packing video, and thank you for watching. I love you guys very, very much, and please subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Well, I'll come back when I'm done packing the orders. Okay, bye.
Holding on. Take a moment right here, feeling like it's out gear. Driving towards the sun with a rose and a gun. Feel the wind in my hair, going nowhere I swear. Like an outlaw on the run, dangerous but it's so fun. Running, running, no, hold on, don't let go. Running, running, no, keep running. Told my boss that I'm done. Had no luck with my mom. Say, what will you do with your life? You know it's hard to survive. A cigar in my mouth, maybe guilty but proud. Now I'm an outlaw on the run. Dangerous but it's so fun. Running, running, no, hold on, don't let go. Running, running, no, keep running. My heart rages around like an ocean in my head, because there are so many things that I left unsaid. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know
I finished packing these. I still have about 15 I think more to go, but I ran out of my organza bags, so I ran out of this bag right here. But in the bigger size, which you guys kind of saw in the video, this is where I put like the bonnets and head wraps, but I ran out of the bigger one. This is the one I use for my lip glosses. So I'm gonna finish packing the rest of the orders tomorrow. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this packing videos or packing orders videos. If you guys want me to do more packing orders videos, let me know and I'll do another one, because I actually enjoy recording it for you guys. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and order the organza bags right now so they can get here tomorrow, so I can actually finish up the other orders that I have. Because you know, I don't like leaving orders. I like taking care of my orders like once I'm getting them. So yeah, right now we just kind of took care of this ones. And yeah, you guys, look at this setup. I just keep showing you guys this setup because these are my head wraps. If you didn't watch my previous video and you're just now watching this video, these are head wraps, Ankara head wraps. They are 72 by 22 inches long. So it's 72 inches long, and then the width is 22 inches. So yeah, these are folded. You know, I like to have them organized. So yeah, these are my head wraps. Right here we have over 13 different styles of head wraps right here. And then these are my bonnets in here. Yeah, so these are my bonnets in here, which again, I have showed all of this in my previous video. If you haven't seen that video, go ahead and go check it out. I will link it down below. I kind of go more in depth into my business. But yeah, these are my bonnets right here. This one right here is my kids bonnet, and then right here we have our Ankara tops, which you guys did see me packing a few of them in today's video. So yeah, that's basically that. I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here, and if you guys would like to see more videos like this, please let me know in the comments below, and also let me know what kind of videos you guys would like to see, and I will be sure to record them. Oh, by the way, the ones in the bottom right there, those are whole prints, which you guys also did see me packing in the video. Those are whole prints. They are 6 yards per print. So yes, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate y'all, and I will go ahead and talk to you guys later.